Everything looks different now that I see you.
April 19. So, dili pa rin siya officially 18, pero tungod kay ang 19 man good birthday siya, so dili pa na dyan makaadto. So, karon i-celebrate nato ang iyang 18th birthday. Once again, once again I saw your birthday. Once again I saw this year. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy time, your birthday. Happy time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You can now blow your candle and make a wish. Okay, palakpakan. Let's give 80 slaps for Colleen. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2. Return, I want you to fly. Work for me, baby. Do you wanna be a soldier and fight for love? Wanna travel the world? Just like any other father, Pastor Edward is very strict, but he can be a warm companion, especially when it comes to food. He is a loving father to his children, whom they look up to for his faith in God and as a family spiritual mentor. The second
Pamilya ni Rosie na nasa gawas ng Kuya Gunggong, Kuya Luloy, kang Ate Lenny, no, sa iyang pamilya, sa mga churchmate, no, sa nagtugtog kanina sa praise team, salamat kay Sir Jack, sa praise and worship leader, sa banda, kang Japo, kang Eloy, kang Jolimar,